Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to insert a straight arrow in Word for diagrams, flowcharts, presentations, educational documents, and professional design. Straight arrows are perfect for showing directions, connections, steps, and important points in your documents. So let's get started. Now I go my arrow option and insert the arrow. Then press enter and go to the insert menu, click the shape drop down menu, and we can see here many line shapes and line have a arrow. Now I'm select this arrow and draw this, press and hold shift on our keyboard. Then we can see we insert the arrow. You can move any direction. Now I am go to the format menu, click the shape outline, make it black, otherwise you can make another color like red, etc. You can change the white, go to the shape outline option and change the white. Now we can see we insert a straight arrow easily. You can make the arrow any position, like you can show the arrow any direction. This is very important for your assignment, document, etc. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.